What is the best strategy for XAT is what we are going to discuss in this, right? Straight off the bat, I can tell you there is no one best strategy. Right? So how do you figure out what is the best strategy for you? Take a bunch of mocks, see what works for you, what does not work out for you, right? The most important idea with XAT is that there is no sectional timers available. So if you are someone who says, hey, I'm a dying at math, but business decision making, I really can't wrap my head around. Or I'm super good at VARC and business decision making, but I struggle a lot with math. Then XAT is the exam for you, right? Though XAT has sectional cutoffs, you can nail this because if you plan really well, right? If you're someone who says math is my super strong suit, right? Go ahead, go all ablaze, complete as many questions as you want to in math in the first 25 minutes, 30 minutes, right? Have as in you how do I know that number is 25 minutes or 30 minutes is by practice. Take a bunch of marks, figure out what amount of time I need to invest in math section. Once that part is done, take a lot of time answering sections that you consider your weak areas, right? So that is how you strategize and implement that. In CAT, you really cannot do it. By the time the timer ticks 0, you're on to the next section. You can't say, hey, I want to spend, I'm super good at math, so I'll complete this quickly, but I need more time in DLR. None of that is going to work in CAT. But you can use that for your advantage in XAT, especially if you're someone who says, hey, one section I know is my super strong suit. Start with that will be our suggestion. So start with that, nail that section, and then move on to the section throughout in level of increasing difficulty for you. So the toughest section, you take the most amount of time, but throw it to the last, right? So go ahead and strategize, try a bunch of mocks. Actual XAT papers are available. So please check the link in the description. XAT papers are definitely available for free. So check it out, take them as mock and see where you stand. And at least take 2-3 mocks from now until the exam so that you know, is 30 minutes a right time? Is 25 minutes a good amount of time? What amount of time you need to spend in what level of difficulty in what section of the paper? Make sure you answer all sections. Don't leave out any section given that sectional cutoffs are there, right? Best wishes for your XAT.